Hey there, fellow JazzCash users. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech and finance super simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to change your JazzCash PIN in 2025. Whether you're beefing up your security or just forgot your old one, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, why bother changing your PIN? It's all about keeping your money safe in this digital age. With cyber threats on the rise, a fresh PIN can give you that extra layer of protection. Plus, JazzCash has updated their app for 2025, making the process even smoother and more user-friendly. Step 1. Grab your phone and open the JazzCash app. Make sure you're on the latest version. You can check for updates in your app store if needed. Once you're in, log in with your current mobile number and PIN. If you can't remember your PIN, don't panic. We'll cover recovery options later. Next, head over to the menu. It's usually that 3-line icon in the top corner. Tap on it and look for Settings or Security. This is where the magic happens. Select Change PIN. From the options, it might be under Account Security or something similar. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your old PIN for verification. Type it in carefully, then choose a new PIN. Remember, make it strong. Mix numbers, letters, and maybe a symbol if the app allows. You'll have to confirm it by entering it twice to avoid any typos. After that, hit the Confirm button, and voila! Your PIN is updated. You might get a confirmation message or a success notification. Take a second to test it by logging out and back in. A few quick tips. Always change your PIN in a secure location, like at home, and never share it with anyone. If you run into any issues, JazzCash has a helpline you can call for support. There you have it. Changing your JazzCash PIN in 2025 is a breeze. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there. See you in the next one.